What is preventative maintenance software? Preventative maintenance software is part of a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, designed to prolong the lifespan of physical assets using manufacturer recommendations, legal requirements, and voluntary consensus standards. Common features of preventative maintenance software include scheduling and forecasting to plan ahead for asset needs through contractor timetables, equipment reservations, and work order tracking. Procedure data stored in a documentation library creates a resource for ways to service each maintainable asset at a facility. Asset history and budget tracking records and tracks asset-related expenses, offering visibility of past service provider selections and care, asset warranties, and funding allocated to cover planned and unplanned maintenance. Electronic triggers and alerts use calendar and meter setting data to notify staff when maintenance duties are required or recommended. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches and minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.